The function f is defined by f of x is 2 take away the square root of x plus 5 for values of x between -5 and 0. And we're starting at -5 clearly because we don't want a negative under there. Now, root x plus 5 itself does this type of thing. It's strictly increasing. So with the negative in front, it's going to be strictly decreasing. And therefore, to find the range, we just need to look at the end points. So f of -5 is going to be 2, because then we're taking the square root of 0. F of 0 is 2 take away root 5. So f, or if you like y, is a real, and f is going to be more than 2 take root 5 and less than or equal to 2. And the less than here is, of course, because that one's a less than. So we want to find the inverse of f. So in the usual way, we'll let y be equal to 2 take away the square root of x plus 5. And then interchange x and y. So x is going to be 2 take away root y plus 5. And we want to get y as the subject. So just doing a bit of rearranging, the square root of y plus 5, so I brought that over this side, will be 2 take away x. So y plus 5 is 2 minus x all squared. So y is going to be 2 minus x all squared take away 5. So we can say the inverse function is 2 minus x squared take away 5. Now the domain is going to be the same as the range for this one. So we can say that's for x between 2 take away root 5 and 2. So that's the domain. And the range will be the same as the original range given. So therefore, y is greater than or equal to -5 and less than 0. Now, continuing on, function g is defined here. Solve f of g of x is equal to 0. Okay, so we would do g first, because the x goes in this way. And so that would give me 4 over x. And then if I do f, so f is 2 take away the square root of the input, so that would be 4 over x, plus 5. So we want to solve 2 take away the square root of 4 over x plus 5 is equal to 0. Well, that must mean that the square root of 4 over x plus 5 is equal to 2. So 4 over x plus 5 must be equal to 4, just squaring both sides there. So 4 over x is equal to -1, which gives us -x is equal to 4, so x equals -4.